Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from HEADSTAMP Publishing as well as Vickers Guide. Again, HEADSTAMP Publishing in conjunction with Vickers Guide. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Okay, so I've cut the tape across the top. You can see how it's packaged in here with multi-layers of cardboard. And this is the standard edition of Vickers Guide Heckler Koch Volume 3. So, get this out. No manifest. You basically get a lot of email communication during the project status, and you can see here hardcover on the outside, Vickers Guide logo, your authors there, as well as on the back. This is with the other books in conjunction with Mott Lake Publishing, and it comes sealed in cellophane. Okay, I've gone ahead and removed the cellophane. Just a real quick look. Your dust cover, your cover itself, binding, Vickers Guide logo on the back, almond metallic embossed. Inside flap and inside dust cover, and really quick look. You can see the large photography and accompanying text. But this is not necessarily a review of the book, but just the unboxing. Give you an idea of a quick look at Vickers Guide Heckler Koch Volume 3 in conjunction with HEADSTAMP Publishing. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.